Hi! In this video, we will quickly compare ClickGuard versus Clixtell. Starting with ClickGuard is easy. It takes less than 5 minutes to set up our click tracking and monitoring process. Simple sign up. It is super easy to create an account and connect your Google Ads with ClickGuard. Paid traffic monitoring. Real-time monitoring of all incoming traffic allows us instantly start monitoring the exact source, network, and post-click behavior details of every visitor exactly as clicks happen on your ads. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.